Land equivalent fractions. All right, go. Now, what fraction of the land does the river flow through? Well, we're going to pretend this blue is a river, and all this green, this whole box, is land. So, what fraction does the land does the river flow through? Well, just like in that triangle, we need to find out how many pieces of land we have total, or how many pieces make up one whole land. How many pieces do you think we have here? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, there's a row of 5. Think there's 5 in this row as well? You said yes, you're right. How about in this row? That's right, there's also 5 pieces. So how much does that make in total if we have 3 rows of 5? It'd kind of be like 3 times 5. What's 3 times 5? 15. If you're not sure, you can pause and count each box. And you should count 15 different boxes. Now, what number did we say that was of our fraction? Because remember, we're talking about a fraction. How many numbers make up a fraction? So 15 is our denominator, our bottom number. And the question wants to know, what fraction of the land does the river flow through? So should we count the blue pieces or the green pieces? If we're wanting to know about the river, we need to know about the blue pieces. I'll count the blue pieces with a white pen. So here we have 1 blue piece, 2 blue piece, 3 blue pieces, 4 blue pieces, 5 blue pieces, and 6 blue pieces. So the river makes up 6. The river covers 6 pieces in our whole big rectangle. So the fraction is 6 over 15. Okay? So the river flows through 6/15 of the land. Well, now, what fraction of the land does the river not flow through? What are some equivalent fractions? Well, I know that in class we've been working on multiplying. So maybe we could take 6/15. What do you want to multiply this by? How about 2? That's pretty easy. So remember, what you do to the top, you must do to the bottom. So 6 times 2 equals what? 12. And 15 times 2 equals what? 30. So that is an equivalent fraction. 12/30 is equivalent to 6/15. But here's one that we haven't been doing so much. What if we divided? So here we have 6/15. We're going to divide it by, what goes into 6 and 15? Remember, this is where our multiplication facts will be very helpful. So I know that 6 can be divided by 3 and 15 can also be divided by 3. So I'm going to divide them both by 3. Remember, what I do to the top, I must do to the bottom. So 6 divided by 3 equals what? 2. And 15 divided by 3 equals what? 5. So another equivalent fraction for 6/15 is 2/5. Okay, remember 6/15 was for what part of our land did the river flow through? We counted 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 15 whole pieces. But you could redraw this and have only 2/5 covered by land. But it's the same fraction as 6/15. See if you can do the 9/15 in your notes. And you can bring them to class tomorrow. Alright? Find equivalent fractions for 9/15. Bye, boys and girls.